It's October 6, 2023. Just 3 of us going out today. Gonna hit the triple rig, see what's going on. We might hit a wreck or something afterwards. We got Seth and Devin.
What's up?
Shark bait? And you ain't got a name.
I ain't got a name yet.
So maybe he'll get one. We'll have to give him one today. Anyways, triple rig is right there. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, so we got a late start. Let's go get some fish. I'm gonna try and catch some stuff from my aquarium, which is empty. So let's go out there and see what we can do. Look at there. I missed him coming in the boat. Big long ladyfish. How'd you do that, Seth? One of your specialties, huh? Caught him snapper fishing. Good cut bait. Yeah, baby. Triple rig.